Here's how to take on Jiffy jobs from start to finish. To get started, a homeowner will request a job by choosing a service category. Then, they enter their address and select one or more dates along with the time of day that they're available. Next, they add a description of what they need done and add any photos that might be useful. Then, they add their credit card details and submit the job. Once the job request is sent, nearby pros will get alerts that a new job is available. To see all available jobs near you, tap on Jobs from the bottom menu and select the Available tab. Tap on a job to view more details. Review the requested dates and the job description. If this is a job that you want to take on, tap on the Accept Job button. Select a date that works for you, choose a time of day, and select a time window for your ETA. Then tap on the Confirm button. Once you've accepted a job, you'll be directed to the chat window. From here, you can chat with the homeowner and ask any questions about the job. When it's time to head out to the job, tap on I'm on my way to change the job status to en route. Once you've arrived to the job site, change the status again to in progress. After you've completed the job, tap on the Invoice Job button. Enter the number of hours or units and any additional costs, along with detailed notes. Describe what was done on the job site and add any photos. Then tap Continue. Review the invoice and ensure the total amount is correct. Then tap Submit Invoice. That's it! The invoice will be sent to the homeowner and all payments will be processed by Jiffy. You should receive a direct deposit within the next few days.